Driven by this car a couple of times and it really caught my attention. This is one of the prettiest GT convertibles, or hell, 5.0 Foxbodies for that matter, that I've seen in a long time. This sucker is beautiful. I mean, look at this, man. This is absolutely gorgeous. All original. That's an automatic though. That's the only downside to it, but it's still absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this thing, man. God, what is this, you think? A 93? 92, 93? Man, what a beautiful car. Hope this guy don't come out here and shoot me. But I had to get a shot of this car. Man, this thing's gorgeous. I can't tell. I don't want to go poking my head too far towards the thing, trying to find the miles. Piss somebody off. But look at this thing, man. The sun's blasting. I can't really get a good shot of it. I wish the sun wasn't so bright and you could really see the detail of this thing. Wow. Just wow. Oh, the 5-liter badges are gone. Huh. I wonder if it just fell off or if he pulled it off. I didn't notice the other side. Both of them are gone. Going for the sleeper look or something, huh? Wow. This thing is beautiful. I do love me a nice GT convertible. Especially white ones, man. When they came out in '87, I was 16 years old. And when they first came out, the white GTs, convertible, with the red stripe going down the trim, the turbine wheels, they were just, even, you know, the cheese grater lights and all, it just fit, man. It all just worked. It was a beautiful, beautiful car. But I do like these pony wheels too. When they came out with those, what, 91 I guess it was the first year for the pony wheels. They're good looking wheels. But I like the old turbines too. I just like originality. I like a good factory looking car. For me personally, the only thing I would do to a car is just lower the stance a little bit, maybe put some wider tires on the factory rims, and that's it. No crazy hoods, no stupid wings, no fancy paint, no crazy BS. Just nice, clean, factory, original looking car with a little bit of a stance, a little aggressive road racing look to it, some meteor tires. That's it. A little exhaust. That's all. That's all you need. But she's a beaut. Beaut.